In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your location history on Google Maps. Your location history keeps track of the places you have visited using Google Maps, and it can be accessed by anyone who has access to your account. Deleting your location history not only helps protect your privacy but also ensures that no one else can see where you have been. To get started, open up the Google Maps app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Personal Content. And then scroll down again, and you'll see an option called Delete All Location History. Permanently delete all your location history associated with, and it will show you your Gmail address. Just tap on it. All you have to do next is tap and put a check mark next to this. I understand and want to delete. And then, simply tap the Delete button. Now you've successfully deleted the location history associated with your Google account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.